Okay, so I'm going to give you the bathroom tour. So, okay, let's go in. And then here I have, and you can remember that, the towel rail. So I'm going to put my bath towel. That's usually got the hang towel on. I need to get another one for the other side, but we will continue. You remember my soap dispenser. You remember me doing my tiles, the black granite, which I think looks a lot better now. As obviously you know that the plumber's been in. I've got my black taps and the plug hole is also black. I have the soap rest here, which is in the matte black as well, that I got from Amazon. Then I have my shelves, which the plumber kindly put in for me, which was great. And I just put all my IKEA little delicate bottles. I really like them. I didn't want to change those, so I put those in there. And then I have my lovely mirror. Again, the plumber put that in as well. Then if we go to the bathroom door, you can see the cast iron black spears that I got from Amazon. I put them on the door. I think it looks really effective with the black. I also got the black latch and the black door handle, and I think that looks really nice. And also on the walls over here, I did the wood paneling myself, and then I kind of did a filler and put that all around where the gaps are. I also used a non-nail glue and stuck that on, and then they're my Desenio prints, and the frames are from Amazon, and I put them in the middle of that frame, and I think that looks really, really nice. I also, if you don't forget, I bought the Amazon toilet roll holder. I need to get some toilet roll and put that in. So that's very, very stable now, and I can even rest my camera on it so you can see. So yeah, so that was with the glue and adhesive, and you need to leave it for 72 hours and it stays in place, and that's not come off the wall yet, so I'm really happy about that. My corner unit I got from Amazon. I've got the flowers that I bought from Dunelm, and the vase as well with the little pearls inside, all came from Dunelm, and I love that little arrangement there. And down here I bought this little marble tray, and that was from Amazon, and also the earbud holder there, and I'm going to put some little Epsom salt in there to put in my bath. And then the other one, I've got some to add into that, so that's what's going to go in there. Down here are just little bits and pieces in the little baskets that I've got, the little woven ones. I bought that from, yes, it was from Amazon, with the little balls on the hair, so that's got the black and white touch as well, so I really like that. This mirror I bought from Amazon a while ago. It was white, and I decided to paint it black to go with the bathroom, and I think that looks really effective, and you can see when it kind of like reflects on the pictures and the door. Yeah, you can see that there, and I think it just looks very, I don't know, gives it an effect. Over to the shelving area, again, the baskets came in a set of 3. I have the large bath towels in that one, medium hand towels in this one, and here I just have the little flannels in black and purple, because I bought those from before, and I think, you know, if anybody needs them, they can use those. Also up there I told you about the black cleaning products container storage unit that I bought, and I've got all my cleaning products in there, and the hanging flowers I think I got from IKEA with the pink little pot there. Okay, so over to the shower. So we have the new shower pole here with the shower that's attached to the tap mixers that I didn't have before, and as you can see I've also did the wastage and the plug area as well in black. So yeah, all that's been done for me from the plumber, and I think it really looks a lot better. I've also put the corner shelving in here. Why are these not the right way around? There we go, let's put them the right way around. Okay, so this is inspired by Mrs. Finch, so all of the labelled shampoos, conditioners, body wash and bath soak in this lovely corner unit, again in the black mat with obviously these little colourful things hanging, 'cause you never can have too many of those, so I have those as well. Yeah, and I think it keeps it a lot more neater for me because I'm just focusing on the shampoo, conditioner, and I don't have to worry about having things going on there, and it just looks a mess, so that helps me be a lot organised. So yeah, and then I have my little bath tray here with the Yankee candle, lemon and lavender. I really love that, so that smell goes on there. I have a little jug here for when it's bath time. I have my 2 little Moroccan white lanterns here, and I just think they just look effective because there's nothing else really I could put under there, so I think they look nice, and they actually do light up as well. LED lights, so they light up if you want that nice soft glow. My shower rod is there. I got that from Amazon ages ago, so but that's really become handy because it was very difficult to get something for this very awkward corner here. So I have my shower curtains there ready to go up, and they're just like a floral one with a bit of the pink coming through. So yeah, I'm going to put that up in a moment. So yes, that's all of the room touches. Oh yeah, and I did have the light. I did tell you I put the light switch on. It's the Edison light switch I got from Amazon with the Edison light bulbs. I need to still paint around that area, but I haven't had time and I didn't want to delay this video anymore. So yeah, so I'm really happy. And also this little box thing here that the plumber had to open, and he did a really neat job to get to do the bath mixer, so otherwise the whole thing would have to come out, and he actually prevented that from happening. I'm going to make a feature of that. I'm going to do that on a separate video, just for a Fabulous Ideas video, so that's yet to be done. But so far this is the tour of the bathroom. I'm going to step back and try and get you a better picture of it. That's why I didn't put the shower curtains up, because I wanted you to see it all. But yeah,